Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, Frederick County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Emmitsburg to Braddock Heights, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Pikesville, Cockeysville, Westminster, Thurmont, Emmitsburg, Harry Grove Stadium, Reynoldstown, Owings Mills, Eldersburg, Milford Mill, Reisterstown, Lockern, Ballinger Creek, Mays Chapel, Mount Airy, Robinwood, Tanatown, Hampstead, and Walkersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.